Hello everyone, I am your Tate. Bitcoin has insanely performed today and it has marked a new all-time high on the chart. Bitcoin is currently trading over 118K. What was the reason? Why has it peaked this week? Did the market give any signals? Yeah, of course, the chart has given many confirmations during this week's rally. I'm going to decode one by one, starting from the fundamental and sentimental analysis. A strong institutional capital flow was observed. The value has increased from $218 million to $510 million. On the market, firms like Trump Media, MicroStrategy, and GameStop have accumulated Bitcoin. Also, there was positive Fed rate news from the federal government. Apart from this, there is yet another big booster. The tech stock of Nvidia's market cap has reached $4 trillion. This gave a push to BTC's price and peaked at a new ATH. Now let's look at the technical analysis in detail. I am going to show you the weekly chart and explain what made BTC today. Here we could find a FVG or order block where the market has kept a sweep and given a change of character or market structure shift. Both are the same, so don't get confused. Here the market gave an MSS and here it gave a BOS. What we are going to see in particular is this week's move, and we are going to throw our entire focus on this candle. Before that, we are going to analyze a recent move. We can spot an FVG here. Just give me a sec to mark it. If we look closer, the market has kept a close inside, which means the market is going to reverse. Oh, pardon me. Sorry. It's my mistake. The market has swiped her, and after which it has kept a close. Just closely observe the two candles with me that were formed on the 23rd of June. We are looking at these two candles. What these two candles have done is in the previous candle, which was swept and closed in the FVG, the market has kept the body close. Body close means there is a higher chance of the price going up. So this is a strong confirmation for us. Then I predicted that this week the price is going to go up because this is a strong confirmation that the market is going to surge to the buy side liquidity. The next target for the close is the buy side liquidity. Next, the market is yet to sweep here. The previous week, the market swiped and closed here in the two candles. So now let's go to the day chart. The market has tapped the FVG, has swept the previous week and kept a close here. The close it has kept over here is the MSS that we have considered. The block where it has kept the MSS is the breaker block. Here we need to understand why this block is important and how it has played a role in the current BTC rally. The market has swept the previous buy side liquidity and the sell side liquidity. To be more precise, let me show you exactly where. And yeah, here the buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity has been swept, and the market has kept a close here, which means it's a powerful area to note. And along with it, we can spot an order block here. Yeah, this is the order block. Okay, now let's see this week. This week has opened on Monday, July 7th, Monday. Over that, the total low has been the body has made an insider close. As I told previously, whenever there is an insider close, there are high chances for the market to give a reversal. So we already saw the confirmation on the weekly chart, and even in the day chart, we saw the confirmation. Now we can move to the hourly chart. As we check here, if you see this where the sweep happened, okay, here is the 1 hour order block. Sell side liquidity has swept and the market tapped the 1 hour order block. This is the MSS, but for the recent tap, the market is yet to give a MSS. So here again, the market has made a sweep and has kept a strong MSS, which means there is a high chance for the market to skyrocket. So now we need to plot the breaker of the MSS. Whenever we are marketing an MSS, we should go with the order block. Instead, we should always follow the breaker because we should not consider the market would again and again tap. So here I am marking the 1 hour breaker block. I am mentioning one hour breaker block. So again, the market has come to the breaker block and has made a sweep in 1 hour. Market made a sweep and again kept a BOS. After a sweep, the market would definitely try to push upwards. So here the market has entered the breaker block, giving a BOS. It is yet again a strong confirmation for the market to move higher. Even here, a miracle is there. The market has kept a close eye on this BOS. Not a strong close, but a close with a consolidation. There is full accumulation, and we are considering it as a breaker. This is a breaker we are going to choose. The market has re-entered the breaker. made a sweep, kept it close, and it went higher. So this is again another BOS. In this high, the market has swept the recent buy side liquidity. Again, we want to know if the market would surge even higher. For that, while checking, we could see there is a full accumulation over here. While the accumulation is happening, we need to look for any sweep. This is the full candle, and while we are looking at this candle, we can see it has kept it close inside, so we can consider this as an FVG. The market has entered the FVG and made a sweep. Here, it has given a change of character, or MSS. After the MSS, we are marketing the breaker block. The market has tapped the BOS, and the market is pushing towards high. Here is again a BOS, another BOS, and another BOS. With all this BOS, the market is pushing itself higher and higher, and still there are no signs of reversal. Since there is a BOS here, there are high chances for the market to follow this path. We need to wait and check. Hope this analysis finds you helpful. Bye bye guys, and I will meet you in the next video.